Hi friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create interactive buttons in your PowerPoint presentation. Go to Insert, Shapes and select this shape. Adjust its size in the slide. Go to Shape Outline and No Outline, then click Shape Fill and set it to white. Visit Color Hex, choose a color palette and take a screenshot of it. Go to Insert and Pictures, then select the screenshot. Duplicate the slide as many times as the number of buttons you want. On the first slide, right-click, Format Background, and eyedropper. Select a color from the screenshot, then delete the screenshot. Repeat for each slide, choosing a different color each time. On the first slide, go to Insert and Icons. Then choose and align your icons horizontally on the white bar. Duplicate the icons, Ctrl+D, and move the copies above the originals. Select the first icon, go to Insert, and click Link, and link it to slide 1. Repeat the same for the other icons, linking each to its respective slide. Select the top icons, go to Format, and change their colors. Copy all icons, Ctrl+C, paste them on all slides, Ctrl+V. On the first slide, move the top icon down onto its matching icon using keyboard arrow. Right-click, Send to Back. Move the black icon up, then select the white rectangle and send to back. Repeat for all icons on every slide. Let's test it. You can also add text for your presentation. If you watch it till the end, you're into PowerPoint tricks. Follow me for more tutorials.